In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your internet faster on Windows 11. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing the web, these tips will help you speed up your connection and optimize your system. Let's dive right in. 1. Update your network drivers. The first thing you should do is check if your network adapter drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can slow down your connection. Here's how you can update them. Click on the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Scroll down to Network Adapters, find your adapter, and right-click it. Select Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for the latest driver and install it if there's an update available. A simple driver update can make a huge difference in your connection speed. Turn off background apps. Next, let's look at background apps that could be hogging your bandwidth. Windows 11 runs several apps in the background by default. To turn them off, go to Settings, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. Go through the list of apps and disable or uninstall the ones you don't use frequently. This can free up a lot of resources and bandwidth, especially for apps that are auto-syncing in the background. 3. Disable metered connection. Sometimes, Windows 11 sets your Wi-Fi or Ethernet as a metered connection, which limits the bandwidth for things like updates or background syncs. To turn it off, head to Settings, click on Network and Internet, and select your connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Scroll down and make sure that metered connection is turned off. Four. Pause. Windows Auto Updates. Windows updates are important, but they can eat up a lot of bandwidth, especially if they're downloading in the background while you're trying to stream or work. Here's how you can pause them temporarily. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Pause Updates for up to 7 days. This is a good option if you need all the bandwidth you can get for something important. 5. Disable delivery optimization. Did you know Windows uses your internet to upload updates to other users? It's called delivery optimization, and turning it off can save some bandwidth. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and select Advanced Options. Click on Delivery Optimization and toggle off Allow downloads from other PCs. 6. Change DNS settings. Sometimes your internet service provider's DNS servers aren't the fastest. You can switch to a faster one like Google or Cloudflare. Here's how. Go to Settings, click on Network and Internet, then select your connection. Under DNS Server Assignment, click Edit and change to Manual. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4 if you want to use Google servers. Cloudflare is another good option with 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. 7. Run the Network Troubleshooter. If your internet still feels slow, Windows 11 has a built-in troubleshooter that might help. To run it, open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. This tool can help identify any network issues and fix them automatically. 8. Disable Large Send Offload, LSO. Large Send Offload is a network feature that can slow down some connections, especially if you're using Ethernet. To disable it, go to Device Manager again, find your network adapter, and right-click it. Select Properties, go to the Advanced tab, and scroll to Large Send Offload. Disable it for both IPv4 and IPv6. This can improve your upload speeds and overall connection stability. 9. Clear your DNS cache. Clearing the DNS cache can also help refresh your network connection. To do this, press Windows plus R, type CMD, and hit Enter. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You'll get a confirmation message that the DNS cache has been successfully flushed. Disable Hyper-V's virtual switch. If you're using Hyper-V on Windows 11, the virtual switch it creates can cause network issues or slowdowns. Here's how to disable it. Open the Hyper-V Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. On the right-hand side, click on Virtual Switch Manager. Select the virtual switch you want to disable and click Remove. Disabling Hyper-V's virtual switch can often resolve speed issues, especially if it's conflicting with your primary network adapter. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to speed up your internet on Windows 11. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just trying to get some work done, these tips will help you get the most out of your connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.